Hello everyone, myself Dr. M. Kumar. In this session, I will be explaining about function overloading. Function overloading. When there are multiple functions with the same name but different parameters, then the functions are said to be overloaded. Hence, this is known as a function overloading. Function can be overloaded by changing the number of arguments or changing the types of arguments. In simple terms or in other terms, it is a features of object-oriented programming providing many functions that have the same name but distinct parameter when numerous tasks are listed under one function name. There are certain rules of function overloading that should be followed while overloading a function. Below, there is a C++ program to show function overloading or compile time polymorphism. Observe this slide carefully. We have written the function overloading or compile time polymorphism program. Initially, we will write as hash include bits or slash stdc++.h using namespace std class Greek open the bracket public void func, that is function name, integer x open bracket cout value of x is x end line close bracket. This is the first function which is accepting the parameter one value as an integer type. Again, we will call the same function name with the same name but double as a parameters. Let's see this. Void function func open bracket double x open bracket. So cout value of x is x close the flower bracket. In this function, the same function name is used, but the parameter type is data type is double data type. Again, we are using another function with the same name, but we are passing a two integer parameters. That is void func open bracket integer x comma integer y close bracket. Open the flower bracket. Cout value of x and y and end line, close the void function and close the class. In this class, there is a func function written in three different patterns, different ways. First one, it is accepting the x only one value as an input. In second one, the parameter data type is changed to a double data type is used. In the third time, the data type is used integer type, but it is accepting the two parameters x and y. The value of x will be changing in each and every program in this class. Integer main open bracket Greek object 1. Now we call as the function being called depending on the parameters passing. Function func is called with integer value. Let us assume that object 1 dot func of 7. 7 is the integer type. We are passing the one value. Then the first function will be running. Then again we will call the function with a double value. Object 1 dot func open bracket 9.132. 9.13 is a double value is passing as a parameter to the function. It will work the second function. And then again we will calling the function 3 function called with the two integer values, that is object 1 dot func open bracket 85 comma 64, then return 0 close the bracket. Here the Greek obj1, so obj is an object 1 for the class Greek. The object 1 is called in a three different functions with a three different types of parameters. So calling the function in like this is called as a function overloading, or we consider it as a polymorphism, property of the polymorphism. So let us see the output. The output will provide like this. Value of x is 7, value of x is 9.132, and value of x and y is 85 and 64. In the above example, single function named function func act as a different in three different situations, which is the property of the polymorphism. Poly means many faces. Thank you.